Hey guys, Michel here, and tonight you're in my home theater room, where my laser shot system is integrated into that home theater system. I'm alongside my dad, Max Sr., and we're going to take you through one of the courses of fire in practical shooting. This is an actual course of fire that we shot at the National Championships of the USPSA Nationals in St. George, Utah. And what we're going to be using is an actual SIG P320 with a recoil kit provided by Laser Shot. So we can work on the draw if you wanted to, if you had your holster. We can work on transitions, and you can even work on recoil management. So dry fire, my dad taught me about dry fire a long time ago. It's very important, but can sometimes be boring. But tonight we're gonna have dry fire with results. So Dad, you wanna give it a try? All right, hold on tight. I don't know if he knows how to use this thing, we'll see. All right, so go ahead, let's click start. And then when the buzzer goes off, it's time to go. There you go. So 30 hits, 2 misses. Again, that was just not really misses, but just need to make up shots on some extra shots. Target score of 129, your overall time, 34 seconds, and then your overall score is 3.1 on the hit factor. But how was that?
It was pretty cool.
Yeah, so it's pretty neat,
felt like
right?
I was really shooting.
Exactly. So that's the one great thing about Laser Shot is we're able to have a little bit of fun, but more importantly, we also get some great training out of it. I'm Michel, and I train with Laser Shot.